That's a good attitude for today. So there's your name tag. Great.
Thank you.
You can meet your team. So let's start. What is design thinking? Starting to look at some of the assumptions that we've made, some of the things we take for granted, and providing that fresh set of eyes to say, is this really what we're doing? Is this really what we need? At the end of the workshop, we're asking that each team try to come up with 1 to 2 problem statements, trying to challenge each other to look at whatever topic we have from a multitude of perspectives, thinking about it as a service, as a system, from the patient's perspective, from the provider's perspective.
Or said another way, as it relates to the healthcare system's ability to nurture well-being in the community, right? What is well-being created?
And then in terms of incentives, how do you incentivize people to actually change behavior, which I think is really hard when you're talking about medications.
How do people know what outcomes they will get from different things? How do they know how much things will cost? And so there's a lot of uninformed decision making.
And really, truly understanding what the problem is. Not just discussing, I think it's this or that, but, diving really deeply into it.
It was funny how our team sort of started at one end of the spectrum, and we ended up somewhere completely different from where I thought we were going to. We did a 180 midstream, and it ended up being a really nice outcome. There's a lot of buzzwords out there that people like to sort of hang on to, but I think using design thinking sort of breaks down some of those traditional barriers that are out there.
To change our perspective, to challenge our perspective, and to generate different perspectives.
Oh my goodness, it was wonderful. It was engaging. The biggest thing that it offers for us is getting us out of very myopic thinking where we really feel we know our industry better than other people. But the fact of the matter is that there's just a lot to be learned from taking a step back from all of those details and really thinking about the problems in a different way.